senior solo hiking adventure now. I just arrived after almost 3 days to this last town where I'm going to start hiking. This is Kitanabe Station. And now I'm heading to the bus station. Try to catch the 10 o'clock bus to the trailhead. And that will begin the formal Kumano Kodo. It's 9 o'clock, waiting here at the train and bus station at Tanabe. I take the bus 91 to Takijiru Oji. That's the trailhead. And then we'll begin the first stage of the hike. Just got off the bus. It's about 45 minutes bus ride. From here, then cross the road, go to the information center. Stop by at the information center. Have a noodle, instant noodle, 300 yen. Cocoa, 500 yen. Not too many people here today. I've got a bus on that side of the road. This is the start of the Kumano Kodo. Right now it's 11:52. Rain stopped, but it's wet. So another 3 kilometers at least. It's walking now 52 minutes. Just past the highest point, elevation about 350. Came to the first opening, so to speak. A little bit halfway there, and it's now 1 o'clock. So maybe another hour and a bit. We'll arrive at the first place to stop for the night.